Life on the earth is sustained due to presence of Almighty Sun. There would be no life on earth without sun. Astrologically speaking, sun is the center of extreme power and all the planets revolve around him due to his huge gravitational force. Sun is indeed the Lord and Almighty. He is prana and plays a vital role in the life of human beings. Here in this video, I shall try to highlight the very importance of Lord Sun in Vedic astrology. Hello friends, I am Pandit Yogesh Girish Ghanekar welcomes all of you to my new video series of What is Planets in Vedic Astrology. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Namaste Pandit Ji to know about these kind of topics as well as hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my latest videos at first. In our solar system, all the planets revolve around the sun in separate orbit. Sun gives light and life. All the planets depend on sun for energy. He is the most powerful of all the planets in our solar system. All the energies on the earth are fueled by the rays of sun. Due to this power, he is considered as a king or father of our solar system. Sun is the only source of energy and other planets in our solar system reflects only sun's light. Sun rays are connected with the innermost spirit of human beings. Hence, the sun is depicted as the soul of the universe, representing the life force on the earth. In Vedic astrology, sun has been described as soul, Atma, of all beings. Sun is self of a person. Favorable placement of sun in a horoscope brings fame and power to a person in all areas, including the field of occupation. It has power to grant great political power. Adverse placement can make a person arrogant and may cause mental and emotional disorders. Pessimistic attitude and humiliation at the hands of others become part of the life. Numerologically, his number is 1. Importance of Lord Sun can be realized with the fact that his presence brings hope and energy in the form of day, and his absence brings night in the form of dark. In order to have a glance, I have present the different aspects of Lord Sun, keeping in view the astrological importance of Sun in a horoscope along with analytic study based on Vedic astrology in the following form. The day is Sunday, direction is east, color is orange, orbit time in one zodiac sign it takes 1 month, orbit time of whole zodiac it takes 12 months. The nature of sun is authoritative, argumentative and dominative. Consultations ruled in sun is Kritika, Uttara Falguni and Uttara Shadha. Friendly planets Mars, Jupiter and Moon. Enemy planets Saturn and Venus. Neutral planets is Mercury. His own sign is Leo. Moola Trikona Rashi of Sun is Leo for 20 degree. He is exaltated in Aries in 10 degree and debilitated in Libra for 10 degree. Special features of Sun is round face and honey colored eyes. Metal is gold and copper. Precious stone is ruby. Vimshottari Mahadasha period of Sun is 6 years. If well placed, signifies courage, father, political power. If adversely placed, signifies arrogance and jealous nature. Representation, government or father. Body parts are ruled by Sun is heart, brain, head, eye, bones, chest, lungs and stomach. Disease given by Sun is weak eyesight, headache, bone weakness, palpitation, bladness, heart problem, epilepsy, etc. I hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that like button. Keep watching Namaste Pandit Ji channel and see you in the next videos. Bye bye. Take care. Sadguru Nath Maharaj ki Jai.